Hello friends, today we will discuss question number 8. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Hint is, do you need to do both the multiplication? The answer will be no. We do not need to multiply both the numbers. Then how we will get? We will get by, here you see how much, what is the difference. We have to find the difference first between 65 and 56. The difference is 9. That means if we multiply 9 by 7236, we will get the answer. Let us do the sum. Okay. That means the question is, do you need to do both the multiplication? No, we do not have to. No, we do not have to multiply do not have to multiply both the numbers. Both the numbers. We'll find what is the difference between the numbers. The difference is difference is 65 minus 56, that is 9. The difference is 9. That means if we multiply 7236 by 9, we will get the answer. Let us multiply 7236 by 9. 7 2 7 2 3 6 multiplying by 9. 6 9 54, 5, here 4, 3 9 27, 27, 5 32, 3, 2, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 2, 1, 763 plus 2, 65. 65,124. Therefore, student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? That means by how much was his answer? His answer was greater by 65,124 than the correct answer. Then the correct answer. Right? Again we are doing Repeating once again, a student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Right? Do you need to do both the multiplication? No, we do not need to do both the multiplications. What you have to do, we have to find the difference between the numbers, that is 65 minus 56, that is 9. Okay, if we multiply this 9 with 7236, that is 7236, here you see, if we multiply 7236 by 9, we are getting 65,124, and that is by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer. That is, his answer was greater by 65,124 than the correct answer. This is the answer of question number 8.